Welcome to the ultimate adventure in Nicaragua. Get ready to experience the thrill of riding the waves in one of the top surf destinations in the world. With miles of pristine coastline and consistent surf conditions, Nicaragua offers an unforgettable surf trip for beginners and pros alike. Feel the rush as you paddle out into the lineup and catch the perfect wave. Whether you're a beginner learning to stand up or a seasoned surfer, Nicaragua has the ideal waves for every skill level. Imagine the excitement of riding the barrel, feeling the power of the ocean propelling you forward. The adrenaline pumps through your veins as you carve through the waves and perform stunning maneuvers. But it's not just about the waves. Nicaragua offers so much more. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, feast on local cuisine, and explore the breathtaking landscapes. Escape into the lush jungles and discover hidden waterfalls where you can cool off and rejuvenate after a long day of surfing. Nicaragua's natural beauty is unmatched and will leave you in awe. Make lifelong friends as you swap stories around a campfire, enjoying the camaraderie of fellow surf enthusiasts. The memories made on a Nicaragua surf trip will stay with you forever as the sun sets in the horizon, painting the sky with vibrant colors. Reflect on the incredible experiences of your epic surf trip. Nicaragua has left its mark on your heart, and you can't wait to come back for more. Thank you for joining us on this amazing adventure through the waves of Nicaragua. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more epic surf trip adventures. Until next time,